Hi, Damian from the Self-Defense Company here, and the question today is, can you save your own life? Now, not necessarily from a self-defense perspective, but more from a self-preservation perspective. And we're talking about the bare minimums, like can you save your own bacon? Let me give you some examples. If you were being chased, how far and how fast could you run? If you had to tread water, how long could you do it? How far can you swim? Could you scale a 2 or 3 foot wall? Could you pull yourself out of a wrecked car or a burning building? So years ago, we kind of came up with this test, and we put it together, and it's consisted of consisted of 5 pull-ups, 30 push-ups, a 24-inch box jump, tread water for a minute, swim the length of an Olympic pool, run for a half mile. And we felt if you could do those things, you could save yourself out of most situations, especially once your adrenaline kicked in. Now look, we're not talking about, being able to make a fire out of, a pencil and a paper clip, or building a shelter out of a trash can. No, we're just talking about primary self-preservation skills that you as a species should have. Now, again, if you're not able to save yourself, 1, how are you going to defend yourself? 2, how are you going to protect others? So, again, can you save your own life? I'd like to hear your suggestions, maybe what we should add or subtract to the test. Leave your comments below. And again, thanks for stopping by. And until next time, this is Damian. And as always, train honestly.